split like this, right? Okay, we do the first two terms and we do the last two terms, and then later we combine together later on, right? So what you see here is like, hey, if you do it without changing the order of the terms, you don't see any common factor. Like you try to do the HCL, HCF method, you cannot see common term, right? So therefore you need to tweak a bit. Okay, you need to rearrange the term a bit. So what I see here is I see a K here, so I look for a K lah. So I see a K here, right?
Yeah.
So therefore I see a H here, I also see a H here. So it makes sense for me to rearrange the term before I do the factorization. So I will do it this way. So I rearrange it. By the way, when you rearrange it, right, you don't need to change the sign, right? You rearranging like back and forth, right? No need to change the sign. When you need to change the sign is when you move over the equal sign. When you move over the equal sign. Can you see the equal sign?
Yeah.
When you move over, then you change the sign to minus 2x in this case, okay?
Yeah.
But over here, there is no equal sign, so basically it's just back and forth. Okay, rearranging, no need. Okay, so this is a key difference. Okay, so by rearranging it, so I have this. Okay, so according to your working, so you just do this, then you do this, right? Okay, so okay, in between, so you can take out k here, so you get 3y minus x, right? Then you take out 2h, right? Take out 2h, then you get x minus 3y, right?
Yeah.
And then you start to see what? You start to see, hey, I have 3y minus x here. I have x minus 3y here. You see, they are somewhat similar, but the position is different, right? Okay, so it means the x is in front, then the 3y is next. Over here, 3y is in front, x is next, right?
Yeah.
So somehow you want to see, somehow you want to, how can I make it the same so that I can factorize, right? So you take out the 2h here, right? Then you get x minus 3y. So probably you might want to think about, let me just minimize this a bit. You take out 2h here, you get x minus 3y. So why not you take out, so continue, you take out 2h. So can you continue to take out a minus here? I think so, right?
Yeah.
You take out a minus here, what do you have at the back?
3y.
3y.
Minus x plus 3y.
Yeah, minus x plus 3y, right? So minus x plus 3y below, you can actually do like just rearrange. It will become 3y minus x.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So, or another way to look at this is this. So once you have the x minus 3y, right? Okay, and over is 3y minus x. So you either get this one into this format, or you get this into this format. So if you decide, let's say you decide to get this into this format, so what you need to do is you need to rearrange this before you continue. So minus 3y first plus x. Okay? So therefore you can erase the above because this is not needed already because you rearrange it already. So then you take out the minus sign. So once you take out the minus sign, you have 3y here, right? Then you have minus x here. So can you see that you have a common term here?
Yeah.
Okay. So now what you do is, so your this one becomes minus 2h 3y minus x, right?
Yeah.
Now this one is k 3y minus x. Can you see that you have both 3y minus x now? So you take it out. So you have 3y minus x, and then you have the k minus 2h, and that's it. Does it make sense?
Yep.
So whenever you have something similar but the positions are different, right? So you either do this and match the first one, or do this, match the second one.
Okay.
So how to do that? Take out a minus sign. You continue to take out the minus sign here, right? Okay, so that's how you solve this kind of question.